Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We will be showing you how to import data from the web directly into Microsoft Excel. This skill can save you a lot of time and effort when you need to work with web-based data in your spreadsheet. Okay, let's start by and with the Microsoft Excel, and here I want to ensure that this kind of data source, or this is the populations, world populations, and I want to import this kind of data. Instead of copying from here, I want to in my Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the easy way you can easily import this kind of table in your data sheet. Now let's move into the here, and what I am gonna do, I will use here the data tab, and from there you can find get and transforms data. From there select the from web, and now you can find the data from web, this dialog box, and you need to paste here the web link. Like I do have this web link, then hit on the OK. Now it's connecting in with the link in there, and here we got it, the navigator. From there you can select which what kind of data you want to import into your Excel worksheets. Okay, now if I want to use like the first population, here I have the first population according to my website. So like there is the table or table 16 or different table, you can select from there or choose from there, and when you think that so this is for you, okay, now you can use the load. Now it's loading into your worksheet. Okay, so here we got it, the table which is in our here, and we imported data into our Excel worksheet. So this way you can easily insert the any kind of table from the web link, and anything is updated in your website. So it can be easily updated in here by clicking over the refresh. So it can be give you the refresh data set or the update data set. Okay, so that's wrap up for today's tutorial on how to import data from the web directly into Microsoft Excel. This skill is incredibly useful for data analysis, research, and more. Now you can save time and work more efficient with web-based informations. So thank you for watching, and I will see in the next tutorial.